team of the Election Commission of India headed by Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar arrived in Srinagar to review the preparedness for the upcoming assembly elections in the Union Territory. CEC Rajiv Kumar, who is accompanied by ECI members Gyanesh Kumar and Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, will hold a series of meetings in Srinagar. The ECI team will also meet representatives from various political parties. In December last year, remember, the Supreme Court had directed the EC to hold the assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir by the 30th of September.
तारीख का ऐलान हो या ना हो, मगर इलेक्शन कमीशन आ रहा है, वो सबसे बात करेगा और फिर ये हुकूमत हिंदुस्तान के साथ बात करके तारीख मुकर्रर करेंगे। ये ख़ुद तारीख मुकर्रर नहीं कर सकते। आज सब कुछ जो है वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, मोदी जी और हमारे जो होम मिनिस्टर है उनके हाथ में।
Election Commission delegation led by Chief Election Commissioner of India, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, is on a two-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir. On day first, the Election Commission met political parties and their representatives. The political parties put in a single voice their demand that they want elections, assembly elections before September 30th, which is basically the deadline set by the Supreme Court. The meetings started from 11 a.m. and continued for hours together. Several political parties, including National Conference, PDP, BJP and Congress, were part of the deliberations where Election Commission heard the voices of those political parties. In second part, the security officials, including the officials from the civil administration, deputy commissioners, also met the visiting delegation and put forward the preparations they have done so for holding assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. The current security situation prevailing in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Jammu, was also put forward, and in fact the commission was apprised about the current situation in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Jammu region. Now the political parties and people in general from Jammu and Kashmir are hoping that the Election Commission of India will announce and the elections in fact are conducted so that the government will get the government they will elect. Bharatiya Janata Party has made stand clear that they want elections, assembly elections, Jammu and Kashmir, and announcement of dates before the 30th of September.